Hello everyone, I hope you're doing good, and in this video we're going to talk about how we can use the Power Automate desktop application which is offered by Microsoft to automate our manual routine tasks. Now in this video our task is nothing but to follow up the fees from our customers who we usually communicate via WhatsApp. So we are using the Power Automate desktop application, and we are also using the WhatsApp web service, and also there is an Excel. So what we are doing is basically we are fetching the data from the Excel. So let me just show you the Excel. So in this Excel there are two worksheets. We are working only on this worksheets, and as you can see there are four columns. One is the serial number, second one is the name of the player, third one is the name of the parent, and fourth one is the phone number. So this is the phone number which we are going to use, which has to be ideally available on the WhatsApp to send the message. This is the name of the parent, and this is, let's say, name of the player. So let me open up the Power Automate desktop flow which I have already developed. So this is the flow, which is very straightforward and it's very simple. Let me just explain you. What we are doing is that first of all we are opening the Excel. So this is the Excel which is there. We are first of all opening the Excel. This is the first action. Second action, since there are multiple worksheets, right, our focus has to be only on this worksheet. So we are setting up that worksheet, that WhatsApp reminder. Third one is obviously we are going to read all this data, because this is very important, because phone number is required to send the WhatsApp message. Name of the parent and name of the player might be required in your case, let's say, to drop that message. Serial number maybe for looping an iteration. So we need to read all the data which is available in this worksheet. Then what we are doing is that we are launching the Chrome and going to this as a default URL. It is nothing but the WhatsApp web services. Then we are waiting for 5 seconds. This is very important, because whenever you click on the Chrome and open up this URL, it will take some time to load the data and all the elements on the web page. Now we are starting a loop. Now this is the very important flow part. Whatever the activities which we are doing in this loop, it will be iterated or looped for how many serial numbers or how many players are there in this worksheet, in this particular table, right? So what we are doing is that first of all we are searching on that WhatsApp web service, right? So what I will do is that let me just open up the Chrome and show you the WhatsApp web service, so that it will be very helpful for you to understand what I am talking about. So once we are done in this WhatsApp, what we're doing is that basically we are clicking on this search button, then putting this number. So it is iterating to this number. Once this, let's say, when this number is copying out, it's pasting out here. Okay, it's not pasting. Let me try this. It should paste, yeah. And then pressing the enter, then you will see this is the customer, let's say, for which we need to send the message. Then it is going to this button, clicking out this video, and then attaching, let's say, this QR code, and before sending it, it's also writing some message and then sending. That's a very straightforward flow. And after this, all the flow has been completed, or the loop has been completed. What it's doing is nothing but it's closing the Excel, which is we have opened already, and also closing the Chrome browser. So what we'll do is that we'll just close this Chrome browser, we'll also close this Excel, and let's try the test run, so that it will be easy for you to understand. Like, we'll just save the flow before running, and let's start the run flow. So in this we will not able to see the Excel instance, because I have kept it at the back end, so it will not easily shown in the front end, but the Chrome browser will be shown. So it has opened up the web URL. Now it will wait for 5 seconds, because as you can see, WhatsApp takes some time to load all the chats, whatever the elements which is available. Now it will go to the search and type that particular number. Once that is done, it will press the enter. It will go and attach the QR code, and before sending out the QR code, we have a standard message which has been written, and in this message you can see the name of the student is something which is dynamic. It is coming through dynamically through Excel. Now this is the job it has done for first line item. It will do the similar job for how many number of the line item which is available in that particular Excel worksheet. Right now it's doing the job for the second line item, and once it's done, it will obviously close the Excel instance as well as the Chrome browser. As you can see here at the bottom right, the status is ready. That means our Power Automate flow has been successfully done. So yeah, I think so that's it for the video. It was a very small video, but it was very important, because this kind of flow you can build at a free. So do mind that Power Automate is freely available for Windows 11 laptop and PC. But if you don't have Windows 11 laptop and PC, you need to have O365 ideally. So with O365 ID, you will able to sign in the Power Automate desktop application. There is also one more version of the Power Automate, which is the cloud version, but that is also helpful for cloud flows, right? And what I will do is that I will just give you this text file. Now this text file is nothing but the code which is running behind this Power Automate flow. Alright, this text file you will find it in the description box below. What you need to do is just download the text file, open the text file, press Ctrl A, press Ctrl C. Whenever you are done with the copying the and downloading and installing and signing up in the Power Automate, what will go is obviously, let's say if you run the Power Automate, and then here you need to create, let's say, a new flow. We will talk about it's a test and just create. It's very simple to kind of paste this code, because once you copy that whole code which is running behind the Power Automate, you just need to press the Ctrl V and that's it. Your flow, whatever the actions which I have built, you will see. So right now I just press on this blank area and press Ctrl V, and you will see all the actions which are there which I have built. You will be seeing. Obviously you need to change a lot of things, like you need to change the path of this, you need to also change the web WhatsApp, you need to also change whether you are using the Chrome or Edge or Firefox or Internet Explorer, whatever the browser you are using, because the Power Automate is applicable or it's supported to the 4 browsers like the Firefox, Chrome and Mozilla and Internet Explorer. And I think so these are the 3 to 4 changes you need to do, and that after it you need to run. One more thing you need to take into consideration is that whatever the browser you are using for the web automation, you need to install the Power Automate extensions. So go to your browser, search for Power Automate extension, click on it, and you will see an option to download it. In my case, since it's already downloaded, you can see it's asking for me to remove it from the Chrome. I think so that's it for the video. If you like this video, make sure to like this video. If you have any queries, put it down in the comment sections. I will try to answer it. And yeah, do share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much. Bye bye.